The ingredients for this Chinese-style fried rice are long grain rice, rapeseed oil, carrots, cabbage, onions, ginger, garlic, soy sauce, green chili sauce, and sea salt. Now let's take 1 cup of white rice. And let's wash it with water 2 to 3 times. Add a pint of water. And then cook the rice for 12 to 15 minutes. Time to chop the veggies. Here I have 2 garlic cloves, ½ an inch of ginger, 4 to 5 onions, and then 4 to 5 medium-sized carrots. And finally half a cabbage. Here I have used Chinese cabbage. In a wok, take 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add the ginger. Now let's add the chopped garlic. Once the ginger and the garlic turns golden brown, we can add the onions. Let the onions cook for a few minutes. Now add the carrots and cook them until they turn soft. And after that, we will add the chopped cabbage. Make sure to cook the veggies for a few minutes, let's say 5 to 7 minutes. Take a tablespoon of green chili sauce. To that, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix both the ingredients. Add the dressing. Mix everything well. Now let's add the cooked rice. Mix everything. Now let's talk about the nutritional benefits. White rice is rich in magnesium, it contains selenium, provides energy, is rich in fiber, and is gluten-free. In recent times, I have seen a culture where people do not include carbohydrates in their diets. However, our bodies need it. It is the body's main source of glucose that provides energy and the brain's preferred source of energy. Now let's add sea salt to taste. Mix it up. 100 grams of white rice contains almost 131 calories. If you like this recipe, then please do let me know in the comment section, and also like, share and subscribe the channel.